thunderstorm warning for northwestern Moore County, southeastern Randolph County, southwestern Lee County, southwestern Chatham County until 4:15 p.m. At 3:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Seagrove, or 8 miles southeast of North Carolina Zoo, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sanford, Carthage, North Carolina Zoo, Goldston, Seagrove, Whispering Pines, Robbins, Gum Springs, Harper's Crossroads, and High Falls. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Chatham, Lee, Moore, and Randolph.